Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone can write NFC tags and that you already possess a verified Amiibo dump and N-tag 215 blanks. Once done, open the NFC Write app you installed and import the Amiibo. Bin file, make sure the file is 540 bytes and labeled clearly. Keep a clean, flat surface and remove cases if the phone's NFC area is obstructed. Now position a blank N-tag 215 on the table and get ready to write. Do not tap yet. You'll now execute the write. In the app, choose the imported Amiibo dump and select the option to write to N-tag 215. Once the app is ready, place the tag near the iPhone's NFC antenna, typically near the top or center depending on model, and hold it steady. Tap the app's right button and keep the tag aligned until the app reports success with a beep, vibration, or confirmation message. If prompted, repeat the write to ensure integrity. You finish by verifying the tag. Scan it with your Switch or Reading app to confirm it registers as the Amiibo. If it doesn't work, reformat the N-tag 215 and try writing again, or swap to a different genuine N-tag 215 since clones or incompatible tags often fail. Make sure the bin is intact and 540 bytes. Once successful, keep a backup bin and label the physical tag so you can reproduce or recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.